But this is your latest and greatest for public safety.
This is our latest.
Especially dedicated to public safety, right?
Yeah, so this is our new launch as of today. This is our FR55.
Good morning at CCW 2025, the biggest event ever recorded in critical communications history. So join me in Critical Communications World Brussels Expo in Belgium. I am checking this new device from Zebra, and I must say, if you see that connector over here, they place a remote speaker mic connection at the top, where other manufacturers place a remote speaker mic at the bottom or at the side, and now you see this at the top, which makes a lot of sense to me. And the company has a lot of knowledge, of course, from many years of development for the industry. And this is so easy to screw on and off. So let's talk to Ollie, who is responsible for the sales in this region for Zebra, and talk about this interesting hardware device for specifically public safety police. Let's dive into it. And as I said, we're with Zebra, right? Ollie, great. The device has a name.
This is our FR55. That stands for First Responder 55. Effectively, we brought it out of this market, but actually we're seeing secondary markets for business critical as well, which is really great to see.
Okay, so what are the capabilities of the device? Because you guys come from an industrial background, you develop devices for many industrial workers, but this is a different ballgame, right? This is public safety.
It's a very different market, right? It's a mission critical, but what we can do is take lots of learnings from shipping over 50 million Android devices globally already, but some of the unique features here is that it's a hot swappable battery, so you have 30 seconds to swap a battery in and out that you can do in the field.
Oh, you have 30 seconds. Now, how easy is it to swap a battery? Do you need those 30 seconds?
Well, yeah, you'd always want 30 seconds.
Let's see. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 seconds.
You put me under pressure there.
All right.
Can you do it in 3?
You can talk to me all about how great things are, but I just want to test it.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
6 seconds. Okay. I'll take that.
6 seconds.
That's fine.
If somebody else can do it in less than 6 seconds, I would love to know.
Some of the other key features, there's going to be 3 iterations to this. So for some of our customers, they need to have 2 physical SIM slots. So we've got dual SIM and an eSIM version. And there's also other users who require a SAM slot, which is secured access module. So when they use their encrypted card to get into the device, an iteration that's going to have a physical SIM and physical SAM. And the third version is a SD card and a physical SIM, all with eSIM variants as well. And then other elements, this is going to be EMEA ready, which is fantastic, so be able to broadcast in heavily populated areas. So you just need to purchase the license of that, but this is EMEA.
That's a necessity for public safety communications,
yeah,
right?
Certainly some countries it's become mandatory, so we've got this ready in the device. Obviously we have all of our band 28, 68, 72, N40, so all the public safety frequencies are covered off in this. And as you can see here, away from what Zebra's bread and butter, having a 2D barcode scanner, we've now got a emergency button on the top and a larger push-to-talk button on the side. So we're really happy with launching this this week, and it's great to see so many customers and partners that we've been talking with over the last couple of years, and to bring it to market today is fantastic.
From the moment you realize you need to develop a new device until the moment you're launching it today? How much time does it take? What is the turnaround time?
But we've still got devices that are applicable for the critical comms market. So you can see here behind us, we've got some of our tablets, asset management, and some of the rest of mobile computing has been utilised for e-citation. But what is really key for us in this narrowband to broadband transition is having this emergency button, having the dedicated public safety frequencies. So it's been a long journey, but we've always been still working with the market, but I'm really happy to get to this point here, and we've got a number of different customers trialing it for POCs, which is great.
And to work together with the software developers, creating solutions for MCPTT, right?
Yeah,
MCX.
We can provide the hardware and a range of solutions to build it up and create a proper solution. But in terms of the MCX guys, that's fundamental. In terms of our reseller partners, working with the networks as well. So we're working with a number of different MCX providers, and you can and actually at the show they're demonstrating the FR55 on their platform, which is great.
Yeah, and I've just saw here, by the way, this is a very interesting connector, as you can see here. It looks rugged, but it feels so simple to touch on the device. It's easy to access, and it has a Peter Jones connection.
Yeah.
Right. So
for here, so we've got the hardware, we've got the MCX platform, but the key for us is accessories to bring it all to life. So what we've done is offered screw holes on the rugged boot here, and this is a prototype here that we're going to be launching, and it's secured into the side. We've got the USB-C on the bottom, but we wanted to have that real secure connection on the top here. So
it makes sense to have it on the top instead of the bottom, right?
So
why do you need the bottom for things?
So
the wire gets only longer if it's wired.
So third parties produce this, so you can have a different range of RSM units, your discrete headwear as well for audio accessories.
I think this is a very interesting one. You got the accessory on the top, where other companies have the accessory at the bottom.
Or the side sometimes, right?
Or at the side. And the top makes much more sense.